going on, everybody? This is Kevin down here at Bluegrass Waterfowl Farm. Just want to do a video for y'all. Update on hatching and a little tour of everything for some new people that wanted to see everything. I seen the red-crested hen is off the nest, so we'll come over here. And check her out. She has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. This is a red-crested pochard. There she is on the water, keeping an eye on me. The Drake's sitting up there in the shade. Let's see. Oh, there's both pair of ringtails. One ringtail sitting over here. I just pulled eggs out of the other one's box a few days ago. There's hers. What's she got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I think. Those are the ringtails. I'm expecting, there he goes. That bother you, buddy? Expecting the hardheads to start laying again. Yeah. We got a couple pieces of debris floating on there from an old stump I had over there from all the rains that we've had. Washed it down in the pond. I need to get a net and get that out. You got a white mandarin sitting in that box. Shiloh-Wegian number 2. She's sitting in that box. I don't know if you see her right there. We've had all the rains. This is just muddy and been too soft to get to. You see, I about got hung up trying to mow down here. And I got somebody coming to weed eat for me here in a day or two. And I got a sharp wingtail sitting in that ground box. And then sharp wingtail sitting in this ground box. And then a white mandarin is sitting in that box right there. And then, of course, the pheasant just keeps dumping eggs here and there, so I'll find them every now and then. But anyway, let me stop this and start it when I get back up here. That way, maybe it won't be so long for y'all to watch. I'll be right back. All right, we got some birds moved around this morning. Whew, it's starting getting hot. I don't know. Humid. It's supposed to rain again here tomorrow, I think, or this evening, so we don't need it. But anyway, they all chilling out back there. These are all call ducks, crested, silver, and then some chocolates and some blacks. And then we moved all these out this morning. There's some blacks and a chocolate and snowies and pastels and I don't know what else. I think there's a crested in there, silver crested. Man, I was running out of room in here in the brooder, so I had to move everybody around. So I got the sink emptied out, cleaned it up. And we moved all these into here. Whew. Some hard heads, some regular mandarins, and some call ducks. And then over here I got the shallow Wegians and some call ducks. I think there's 10 or 11 shallows. And then down here is pheasants. We hatched off, chilling out. No, he's not dead, he's just playing possum. They're growing, doing good. Little bitty quail water. I've just been sprinkling mealworms and starting to grow over there. They go around, peck at it. Choo-doo-doo. We got a few more eggs in the incubator, and then I've been setting some whenever I find them. She just drops them here and there. And then I turned a bunch down here and a while ago, and I've been sitting down here watching them, babysitting, I guess you could say, where I turned them loose, the young ones, to make sure that the older ones didn't bother them. There's a little harassment, but not much. Just to be expected when you add somebody new. But you got 2 different clutches of ringtails. We got 7 mandarin drakes and silver calls, a couple pastels, some snowies. We got a pair of Appleyards hiding out down there in the shade. They're breeders, and I'm gonna sell them if anybody's interested in them. And I got 2 pair of breeder snowies we're gonna sell, plus all the young ones. But, and then pastel breeders is in here. Silver bibs and black bibs in there, and then the grays. The grays are in the next one. But everybody's getting along better than I thought they would. The breeders are actually not even bothering anybody. It's the first bunch of young calls I turned loose out here. When I turned these loose, they was kind of wanting to chase them. But now everybody's chilled out and figured out what's going on. But that's what we do when we turn some new ones loose. We don't have a bunch of different pens. I do have another one down there, but I need to mow it. The weeds are already over knee high, and I gotta clean that pond out. So I'll get that taken care of here hopefully pretty soon. And then the next bunch, I might have to turn them down yonder or move some around somehow. I'll figure it out. But anyway, that's what we got going on here. So appreciate everybody's support, watching videos, all the messages and texts. And as most of you already know, we try to help anybody out the best we can. Information, we have people call, and if you're going to call, the best thing is to leave a message, or make sure you call in the mornings. You can text us anytime or send us a Facebook message, and we're pretty quick on replying to those. So. But anyway, y'all have a great rest of the day. Stay safe. I appreciate y'all. We'll catch you next time. See ya.